Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Google Drive app on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search box, type Google Drive for Windows and press Enter. From the displayed list, select the first link. This will take you to the official Google Drive download page. Once the page opens, scroll down until you see the section called Install and Open Drive for Desktop. There are two buttons, one is to download the app for Mac and the other for Windows. As we are using Windows, click this button. Your browser will now begin downloading the setup file. The file name is usually Google Drive Setup.exe and the file size would be more than 200 MB. When the download finishes, click on the file to start the installation. You can find it in the download folder. If you want to put shortcuts for these apps on desktop, check both the check boxes. And then click the Install button. The installer will now open and begin installing Google Drive. You don't need to change any settings here, everything installs by itself. In a few seconds, the installation will complete and Google Drive will open automatically on your screen. You will now see the Google Drive welcome window. Click on Get Started button. This screen is asking you to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have Google account, you can create it right here. I have another video, watch it to make your own Google account. Click the Sign In button if you already have an account. If you are already logged into your browser with other Gmail accounts, then it will ask you to choose the account you will be using for Google Drive. Now it is warning you that if the Drive app is downloaded from other source other than Google, then don't sign into your account because of the risk. Click on Sign In. At this point, the installation is complete. At this welcome screen, it is asking you which folders you want to store on Google Drive. Right now, skip this step. We will cover everything in details in coming videos. You may want to take backup of photos and videos, but now we want to skip this step as well. Click on Finish and then Open Drive. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Google Drive app on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows and Google tutorials. Thanks for watching.